Did you know that colors can have totally different meanings around the world? In China, red is the color of good fortune, while in Western cultures, it often represents passion or love. Colors are a very powerful part of culture, and today we are going to explore them in German language. Hello, everyone, this is Titi Lope Mogadi, and welcome back to Lingo Lounge. Learning a new language can be challenging, and one of the most fundamental yet often overlooked areas is colors. Think about it, colors are everywhere, and describing what you see around you is a key part of everyday communication. In German, knowing your colors can transform a simple conversation. Whether you're describing the dress you wore to a party, or you're talking about the vibrant hues of a sunset, or even just making small talk. Now, let's talk about why learning colors in German can be tricky. Many learners find it daunting to remember color names in German, especially since German nouns have genders. For instance, the red apple is the roter apfel, while the red rose is the roter rosa. And getting this pronunciation right can also be a challenge. But don't worry, with practice and a bit of patience, you can totally master the rainbow of German colors. So let's get through some of the most common colors in German. I will show you each color, how to say it, and then use it in a sentence. You can practice along with me.
How do you say this in German? Rot. Say it with me. Rot. Here is an example. The apple is rot. Next we have blau. Say it with me. Blau. Here is a sentence. Das Meer ist blau. What color is this? Grün. Here we have grün, which means green. Say it with me. Grün. Now in a sentence, the Blätter sind grün. So what do you think this color is? Lila. And here we have lila, which means purple. Say it with me. Lila. An example? Die Tasse ist lila.
Alright, now let's put your skills to the test. I'll show you a color, and your task is to match it to its German translation. Take your time and feel free to pause the video if you need to. Let's see how well you will do. So, how did you do? Don't worry if you didn't get them all right. Remember, language learning is all about patience and enjoying the journey. The more you practice, the more confident you will get. If you're eager to learn more, be sure to check out our other language contents on Lingo Lounge and drop a comment below with your favorite German color. I would love to hear from you. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Bye!